Today I'm going to show you guys just how far 100 euros can go here in Milan. I used to actually live here and model here, so I'm very excited to show you just how far your money can go in a big city like Milan. I think you're going to be surprised. First things first, let's get started with a cup of coffee because your girl needs it. We ended up at a spot that we just happened upon in this super cute alley called Princi, and we ordered 2 Americanos for €1.50 each. Italian coffee is truly something else. I cannot stress how good it is. So after we had sufficiently caffeinated, we walked over to the Piazza Del Duomo, which is home to Duomo di Milano, a Gothic cathedral that took nearly 6 centuries to complete. Construction began in 1386 and the final details were not completed until 1965. Duomo is actually the largest church in Italy and definitely something you need to see when visiting. It's now time to show you the absolute best value and best tasting lunch you can get in Milan. Meet Luini's. They make panzerotti turnovers, which are basically like a pizza folded in half and then deep fried. I swear when I was eating it, I just straight up blacked out and gobbled the whole thing in 3 seconds. Luini's is a must do when you are in Milan. The rest of the afternoon we spent walking around Milan, but actually ended up in the Navigli district. Typically you'd come here in the summertime and do aperitivo. For tonight, we ate at a restaurant called Shue Navigli, where we had pizza, fresh gnocchi, salad, and a bottle of Prosecco for €30 per person. We are officially on day 2 of our $100 challenge, and we are having breakfast at Lavazzo. It is an iconic cafe here in Milan, and oh my god, it is so good. We got fresh squeezed orange juice. We have 2 different kinds of croissants. I got the apricot croissant. Evan got the traditional one. We have some Americanos and we're just enjoying a beautiful, beautiful morning here in Milano. So good. After breakfast, we took a walk through Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. That is quite the name. This is Italy's oldest active shopping gallery, built from 1865 to 1877 and a major landmark of Milan. Galleria Vittorio is right beside Duomo, so we decided to go up to the very top of Duomo, the iconic cathedral here in Milan. You can come up for €5 per person, but Evan and I decided to purchase the €15 ticket because that gets you access to the top of the cathedral where we are now, as well as the inside of the cathedral and an art museum, so we felt like it was really good value. And you get this amazing view of all of Milan. I love it here. What can I say? We just had a beautiful lunch at a restaurant called Siciara, which is just a 6-minute walk from Duomo. It's definitely a more premium lunch, but it was super good. We had some leeks, we had some tortellini, we had bean soup. It was really amazing. We also had a little Prosecco and a little espresso to sort of end our meal, and it came out to about €30 per person. I think that this was pretty great value considering the quality of food that we got. I know at home in Whistler, Canada, you most definitely could not get a meal of that caliber for that price. There's no way. Our hotel is about a 20-minute walk from the center of Milan, which is basically Duomo. Milan's kind of like a circle and then it spreads out like that. So we headed back to our hotel and now I am just chilling here. I'm having another Americano because coffee is so damn good here in Italy. I just cannot resist. For dinner, we are at a spot called Mi Scusi and we have ordered 2 different pastas. We have some pumpkin ravioli as well as some tagliatelle with cacio e pepe. It's a super good value here, €9 per dish, so cheers! And that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you leave this video a thumbs up, say hi in the comments, keep your notification bell turned on, and I will see you in the next video. Is that lame to say like I used to model here?
No.